Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today, we're going to be showing you how to make a Greek omelet. Cue the music. Alright, well, thanks a lot for joining us today. I appreciate you being here. Don't forget to go down and like, subscribe, leave a comment in this comment section, and then share this video with everybody you know. Like I said, we're going to be making a Greek omelet, so let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We've got 3 eggs, 1 small zucchini that we're going to slice up, 1 shallot that we're going to slice up, a half a cup of feta cheese that's crumbled, 1 tomato that we're going to slice up, some fresh basil leaves that I've chiffonaded, 2 tablespoons of olive oil that we're going to split, and then I got some fresh herbs that we're going to use for our garnish. Alright, you will find the recipe link for this down in the description box. That link will take you right to my website, itsonlyfood.biz, where you're going to find a ton of other recipes. Hope you give it a try. Check it out. Alright, here we go. As you can see, I've got our mise en place all lined up there by our pan. We've got our olive oil, our shallots, or zucchini, feta cheese, tomatoes. Got the eggs in the background in a bowl ready to be cracked and whipped up and make into our omelet. Let's focus the camera on our pan and then we'll start cooking. Alright, we got a nice shot of the pan there. I'm going to go ahead and turn our heat on to medium high, and I'm going to pour half our olive oil into the pan. This is the larger pan I'm going to cook the vegetables in, and then I've got our trusty egg pan right here that we're going to make the omelet in. I'm going to let this olive oil get hot, but first I want to talk about these vegetables. Now there's many ways you can cut these. I cut them into half crescents so they're all uniform. The tomatoes are cut the same. You can dice them if you want to do that, or you can just leave them whole too. You don't need to cut the slices in half. You can just leave them full and cooked, because remember the zucchini is kind of wilt a little bit, and the tomatoes will kind of mush up a little bit, in the shallots will hopefully get a little crispy. The way they're cut, the size of the way they're cut, they'll cook evenly. So we're gonna let this oil get hot, and we'll add our shallots in there. I want to make sure the olive oil's hot first. Nope, well, it's sizzling, just can't hear it. Not good TV there, huh? So the link for this recipe is down in the description box. I hope you go check it out. I've got a lot of recipes on my website, itsonlyfood.biz, from the show. So I hope you go, excuse me, go and enjoy that. We're going to go ahead and get these cooked off till they start getting a little aromatic, and I can smell them cooking. And let's throw our zucchini in there. Now I'm not going to put salt and pepper in this because that feta cheese has got a little bit of a note of salt in it, so we're going to get enough salt there. And this will, the cooking method that we're using will actually help bring about the flavors that we want. So just lightly sauteing these. So we'll go ahead and let these cook. Then we'll come back and add the tomatoes when that time comes. Alright, we've got the zucchini is softening up. It's got a little bit of blistering on it. That's adding to the flavor. The shallots look really nice. I'm going to take our tomatoes, throw those right in there. Stir them in. I cut those in half crescents too, as you can see. Now you don't have to cook these at all either. You can actually leave the tomatoes raw if you want. Pairs really well with the basil and the feta cheese. Let me do the same thing. I'm going to let all this cook down, and we'll start making our omelet. Alright, that's cooked down really nice. I'm going to go ahead and pull this off the flame. We're going to switch pans. I'm going to make sure I can see the pan. There we go. Okay, I'm going to throw the olive oil in this pan, let that get hot. Meanwhile, we'll mix our eggs, get those all ready to go. Okay. we'll go ahead and add our eggs in here and start making this omelet. Not as hot as I wanted, but that's okay. Alright, like we've done in so many videos, we're just going to show you, you see how that egg is cooking around the edges there. So I'm just going to kind of bring that into the middle, let the raw egg go to the outside. In fact, I'm going to put a video card right here for a video I did years ago on how to cook omelets and eggs, restaurant style. Go ahead and check that out after you watch this, of course. So now I'm going to turn my pan this way, and then you want to take and you can just lift it up, let all the egg pour in there and get it cooked. Really nice if you have a good non-stick pan too. Whoop. And then you can test it. Before you flip it, you can test it. If it's sliding around like that, you're good to go. So then you just flip it over. If it rolls under like that, just bounce it. It'll move out and it'll go. I'm going to go ahead and take the heat off. We'll put half our feta cheese in there. Some of our basil goes right in there as well. And then we'll take our ingredients, slide that in there. Turn the heat off or you burn your hand. Then you just take your omelet and you fold it over just like that. That's our omelet. I am going to dress this up, make it look nice. I'm going to meet you back over at our table over there. We're going to take a bunch of pictures of it, roll some music with that, let you check it out, enjoy those pictures, and then we're going to come back and we're going to taste this. Don't go away. Smells good. I'm going to turn this a little bit so you can see the omelet itself and all the goodies that are inside there. I got some naan bread and some olives. Just going to try this out. Little bite here. Yep, apparently we're just going to get egg on it. I got a little feta cheese, onion, and some of the basil. Man, that's good. Got a little bit of the zucchini and tomato in there. Yes, everything pairs well. That basil just brings everything out. There's our with the egg, zucchini, and the tomato. Oh yeah. There's just something about fresh basil. Feta cheese goes so well. Oh, hi. Really good. Very good. Everything comes together so well. The cheese, the basil, tomatoes, onions, shallots, no onions. And get a couple of briny olives in there. Really makes it all good. Definitely a Mediterranean dish. A lot of videos out there for Greek omelets. This is my version of it. That's all I got. I threw a little olive oil on top of everything too to give it more of a distinctive flavor. And olive oil is a good oil. It's not a seed oil that's over processed. It's a fruit oil that if you buy the right kind, you're getting a good olive oil, because a lot of olive oils have seed oils added to it to give volume. But Yeah, this is a very good breakfast. You can have it for lunch or a supper too. Alright, like I stated earlier in the video, we do have a website, it's onlyfood.biz. You will find a ton of recipes on that website, where you will also find my seasoning shop, which has my handmade gourmet seasonings that I've come up with. Got about 20 of them on there, but don't forget to check that out. It's onlyfood.biz, it's onlyfood.biz, it's onlyfood.biz. Take care of yourself. We'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping, bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping, bumping from the